Hi family. This is Dr. Mo with Moya Body Care and Colon Hydrotherapy. And I am your favorite colon hydrotherapist that practices the sacred art of colon hydrotherapy, herbs, and natural living. I wanted to show you how I set up my client for a full body steam. This particular client has COPD, which is a challenge that affects your ability to breathe. Let's just call it what it is. It is a limiting belief system that says, I am unable to breathe freely because of fill in the blank. Doesn't matter what it is, just fill in the blank. So I am working with her on a metaphysical level to understand what the blocks are. But the other aspect of this healing road is physical body work. Most people don't know that I have been and am a state certified massage therapist since 1998. I don't want to, I know, right? Like 1998, damn, that's a long time to be certified. Whatever, judge your mama, don't judge me. So I can say that I'm pretty much an expert in the method that I have perfected over these years, these short amount of years I perfected. So anywho, I have set up my client in a full body steam, and I'm actually going to turn around this way. Let's see if I can turn it around. Yeah, so this will help me better. So I'm going to step out of the room so that you can see what I have going on here. So this is the setup for the full body steam, right? So this tent will be pulled down over and on top of the client. I am going to have her lay face down first. What I do once the client is laying face down, I'm going to show you what I have done. In this container of castor oil, as you can see at the bottom, I've added magnesium powder. I've added cayenne extract, not the powder, but cayenne extract. I've added 4 whole droppers of the cayenne extract into the castor oil that has magnesium oil in it. I've added white flour, which is like an Asian tiger balm, if you will. It's liquid. And then this is another beautiful oil. It's called Quan Long. I've been using this literally since my first year of being a massage therapy student. And I also was enrolled in acupuncture, and I completed 1 year of acupuncture school. And they use this a lot too. It's a pain alleviator. It's so amazing. So I add this into the mixture as well. I also add liquid tiger balm, which is downstairs. And then I shake it up. Once the client is laying on my massage table, I apply this to their spine and work it in like nobody's business. I work it all up and down their spine, up over their shoulder blades, into their neck, over their hip bone, etc. And then I'm going to pull this steam tent down and allow her to steam for about 10 to 12 minutes. Because she's having challenges with her breathing, I've also added some peppermint essential oil to her steam water, which is right there on the floor. And so once she starts to steam and the steam starts to come out, the peppermint oil will be misted into the air as well, and that will help her to open up her channels of elimination, which are the colon, the kidneys, the lungs, the skin, and the 5th for women is our uterus. So once she is done steaming on her back, I am almost positive she's going to have a lot of drainage in her nasal cavity. That is what I want. I'm already prepared for it. I have plenty of tissue for her. and a trash can if she feels nauseous and need to move it up the other way, because sometimes emotional blockages will come up through the mouth and you will throw up. You will. It's not a problem. I'm totally prepared for this. So after she is on her belly for about 12 minutes or so, I'm going to roll her onto her back, and I'm going to do the same application with the oil on her chest, underneath her breast, underneath her arm, over her abdomen, and the soles of her feet. And then she's going to steam again for 10 to 12 minutes. By this time, there's no blockages emotionally, physically, spiritually. Trust me when I tell you. Once she's done with that, it doesn't stop there. I'm going to move her to my PEMF table. That stands for Pulse Electromagnetic Frequency. And she's going to lay on that table for about 10 to 15 minutes. 5 minutes on that table will give you about 6 to 7 hours of full body rest. That's how amazing that mat is. I'm going to show you. Okay. Oh, and yes, I do have a zero gravity massage chair as well. If you're interested in that, that is also available to you. So there's the steam. So once the client is done there, I'll give her a robe. We'll walk to this room where she will be on this table. Yes. So I'm going to turn this table on so that you can see what it looks like. Here we go. So you see the lights, and I'm going to show you the crystals. You can see all the crystals in the mat. So we have jade, amethyst, and clear crystal quartz all throughout the mat. And then you have big pieces, big pieces of the same crystals all throughout the mat with infrared light. It does heat up, it does get warm, and it's phenomenal. Once my client is on this table, just like that, I dim the lights in this room and I pull the infrared light over her. I have a standing infrared light. I pull that light over her and she's going to rest for about 10 to 12 minutes. Like totally full body reset. I guarantee you she's going to breathe so deep for the first time, she may scare herself. And I'm here for all this healing. So if you are ready to go deep, not superficial, but to dive deep and get to the root, the metaphysical root on why your body is bucking, reach out to me. I am your favorite colon hydrotherapist. My name is Dr. Mo, and my website is Moya, MOYA, bodycare.com. And if you are totally interested in doing what I do, I offer both training as a colon therapist and coaching for your own personal path. My next colon therapy training course is this January 2025. We start on, if I'm not mistaken, the 19th of January. That is a Sunday. It's a 3-month course program followed by a 6-day in-person training. And my personal one-on-one coaching is 3 months. And we go in every week for 1 hour accountability between you and I. We go deep. All right, loves. So I appreciate you greatly. I'm going to go ahead and get to my client. I know she's ready for this lovely experience. I hope you are as well. Until then, stay magical.